What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I am back with another banger, man. And in today's video, I'm about to be doing a how to make a professionally sounding song on BandLab. What's this, like part 2 or part 3? Shit, I forgot. I ain't even gonna lie, man. But hey, I finna just start off from scratch, you know, just showing y'all the whole process. And then I finna be breaking down the presets from scratch too. So, man, make sure y'all tune in if y'all trying to see your boy, you know, craft a dope preset, man. And before we get into this video, make sure y'all smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications for more big body bangers. And if you want to tune in on my Instagram, man, it's in the description down below at CURTYYBO, CURTYYBO, man. Go follow me if you're looking for any presets. You need the preset package, you need your music mix. I got features going on. I make cover arts, whatever, man. Let me know. I'm doing mentor sessions to show people how to get their YouTube right. I'm in all that. But enough talking, man. Let's get into this banger. First thing I do is I get my my vocal track in there. Once I get my vocal track, I'm gonna probably just put like 2 or 3 of them, or probably 4, because I'm gonna be punching in, so I might need it. Yeah, man, usually how I go about this first is I just put my lyrics down. I put my verses down first, and then I go over and mix them. So y'all just kick back, man, get y'all popcorn and just enjoy the show. Let's get it. Hey, man, this life, you gotta take a risk, man. If you just sitting around stagnant, stuck, you ain't gonna make it far, man. You gotta believe in yourself, man. Stay yourself, man. Stay true to this, man. Far, man. You gotta believe in yourself, man. Man, you know I ain't new to this shit. I'm true to this shit, though. I already know what the fuck going on, man. One. Fresh up out my slumber, had to get up in the stool. Fresh up out. Hey, you see, you just gotta be creative, bro. And I go, I needed that, cause shit. Hold on, I'm still waking up. Hey. Fresh up out my slumber, had to get up in the stool. A couple tricks tucked up my sleeve, but I can't let them know a couple tricks tucked up slumber, had to get up in the stool. A couple tricks tucked up my slumber, had to get up in the stool. I'm not gonna lie. I got a couple tricks tucked up my sleeve, but I can't let them, I still can't, bro. I was trying to get that part out for so long. Like, I think it was the T's messing me up, man, but like, I ain't gonna hold. This is just crazy that I even, man, like, bro, I literally just woke up. I made this video like 9 o'clock, like literally right when I woke up, and just came straight off the dome. I be rapping in my dreams at this point. But hey, let's get back into the video. My move, she like, why I fuck with her. Potential what I see in you. That subscribe button, man, if y'all want to see more dope. Fresh up out my. Alright, so you got like 3 bars right now, and you know, we just getting it on, man. It's the process. Let's get it. Smash that like button, man, if y'all enjoying the video, and blow the comments up if y'all trying to see more of the series, man. I got a little series going on, man. Fresh up out my slumber, had to get up in the stool. A lot of tricks tucked up my sleeve, but I can't let them know my mood. She like, why I fuck with her. Potential what I see in you. Niggas broke with no motion, wouldn't want to be the dude. Facts. With no motion, wouldn't want to be the dude. What I see in you. Niggas broke with no motion, wouldn't want to be the dude. Niggas only hard with the crew, you're not a bad dude. Niggas only hard. Fast food. Niggas only hard with their crew, you're not a bad dude. I ain't gonna lie, this that top of the morning freestyle, man. I'm finna listen to it right quick, and then I'm finna see what I can add on to it. And it's good to like play a song over and over after you get done recording it, just so you can see what you missing, you know. All right, y'all, so right here, I'm glad I went back over my song, because like one thing I noticed is like when I'm punching in and I'm just trying to like get bars just laid down, I kind of say it like wrong or whatever, so I would have to listen to it and like, oh, okay, I could say this, I could have more energy in this punching, you feel me? That's how my thought process is. And you feel me? That's like I feel like that's a good way to go about it, man, so your vocals can just hit. I'm trying to get the maximum I'm trying to get the maximum, whatever you call it, out of the maximum value out of my phone, the microphone, the headphones, the acoustics in my car. I'm trying to get the maximum. Dude, she buzzed my phone. Now I'm cruising down her avenue. Car costs more than your revenue. Costs more than your revenue. Press a button, now they ain't got. No, it ain't more than your revenue. Press a button, now it ain't got a roof. Button, now it ain't got a roof. Hey, look, they gon' feel me on these beats. They gon' feel me on these. They gon' feel me on these beats. They gon' feel me on these beats. Either way it go. Hey, she said she down for the. Told her let me know. One. In the stool, song after song, I'm getting on. One. She tryna ride. I'm like, let me know. Hey. All right, y'all. So I'm kind of finished with the song now, as far as the verses. So what I'm finna do at this point is clean out the and I don't want to make the video too long either, so I'm gonna just make this fast. But right here I'm finna just cut out all of the extra noise that's not supposed to be there to enhance the song, make it sound more crispy. And then I'm gonna do the fade process as well, so I'm gonna speed it up and then y'all go see it. But yeah, if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure y'all smash that like. All right, y'all. So unfortunately, I had just recorded already, and then I had recorded the ending of the video and all that, the rest of the video, and it didn't save, so I'm gonna have to redo it. But it's okay, because I'm a goat. You feel me? I'm gonna figure it out. Blood. All right, so basically where we left off at, we were fading off the vocals so we can get it ready to throw the presets on there. So basically what I did right here is I just added some, I added like just like a little, I don't know what you call it, just like another little verse part. And then I set the hood back in, but I'm gonna show y'all how I did it. So as y'all can see, this is the end of the song, the last verse of the song. Not the last verse, but like the last verse until the hook comes back on. But now I'm cruising down her avenue. Car costs more than your revenue. Press a button, now it ain't got a yeah, they gon' feel me on these beats. Either way it go. She said she down for the. Told her let me know. No. 100 in the stool, song after song. I'm getting home. Go down. Yeah. Tryna ride. I'm like, let me know. 100. All right, now basically what I did right here is I chopped the hook, like the beginning of the hook, so it can kind of pop more when it can punch back in, so it won't sound like hecka basic. Fresh by my slumber. Let me fresh by my slumber. And basically how I did that, I just put the line right here, and then I trimmed it, copied it, duplicated it right here, duplicated it right there. Boom, that's what I did right there. I did a little extra right here too. 100 in the stool, song. 100 in the stool, song after. Or I think that's. Wait, let me see. In the. Yeah. That in the stool. 100 in the stool. But you can't really hear it, so let me turn it up a little bit. 100 in the stool. 100 in the stool, song after. 100 in the stool. It don't really sound. Hold on, I gotta shift it lower a little bit. 100 in the stool. 100 in the stool, song after. Yeah, I can't really hear it, so I'm gonna just keep that regular like how it is. And then I'm not sure if the video caught that I had, just trimmed it out right here. I had to get it. I see potential in you, baby, so what you trying to do, huh? And basically how I did that was I just I trimmed it out right here, cut that part out, and then I trimmed it right here. And then I so what you trying to do, huh? I trimmed it right here, and then I just reversed this little part. But but when you doing that, you got to put it right when the song like transitions to like something else like that. You feel me? So like, listen. I had to get it. I see potential in you, baby. So what you trying to do? She was my phone. You feel me? Just to add more, just to be more dramatic with the vocals. You feel me? I mean, dramatic with the song, make it sound a little more dramatic. But Yeah, as y'all can see down here with the green, I got some ad libs in there, and I had to spice the song up a little bit. For this video, I'm finna just be using a customized preset that I'm finna be using a customized preset that I already made. But in the next video, I will be going over how to make a customized BandLab preset, man. A customized ad lib preset. But in this video, I'm finna just be doing it for the vocals, for the main vocals. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that, man. And make sure y'all smash that like button and smash that subscribe button if y'all want to see more big body bangers like this. I'm finna be showing the presets at the end of the video, man. So stay tuned. But now right here, I'm finna just be crafting the vocals from scratch. So let's get into it. Get up in the scope, get up, fresh up out my. So boom. First off, we're gonna start off with the graphic EQ. And I'm gonna have to turn my monitor off and turn my phone up a little bit, so let's just get into it. And y'all just kind of just take notes right here. This is kind of like a really important part of the video, because I'm gonna just be just really crafting this preset from scratch. And I know y'all be asking for presets. Curdy Bo, I need a preset. All right, y'all, so if you talk about presets, we might as well just get a Curdy Bo ad in, man. But hey, if you are looking for a high quality preset package for BandLab, this is for my BandLab users. I'm coming soon with all the FL and all that soon, man. But right now, this is for my BandLab users, man. I got preset packages for $15. It comes with 7 presets. I mixed them to your vocals. And that's that, man. I got rap vocals, auto-tune vocals, singing vocals, really good vocal presets, man. And when I mix them to your vocals, you gonna love it. You probably ain't gonna never need to make a new preset ever again. Well, probably in future projects, we gotta tweak a thing or two, man. But it's gonna have all the effects in there. Tune in if you need your video edited. Tune in if you need mentor. I got mentor sessions going, teaching people how to gain subscribers, teaching people how to mix their own music, man. So tune in, how to make your own preset. Tune in, DM me on Instagram at CURTYYBO, CURTYYBO, gang in this. You gotta learn a couple things to know how to use these FX. So I'm finna be making a course soon, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that. But that's why I said, if you really don't got time for that right now, just DM me on Instagram at CURTYYBO. I can customize, customly, I can make high quality presets custom to your vocals, man, so they can sound just hit, so you don't have to, tweak out, so you don't have to tweak any preset by yourself. That's what I offer in my BandLab package. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. All right, y'all. So for this part, you're gonna really want to use your ears, because you're gonna that's going to help you tell, when it's just sounding too scratchy. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. All right, boom. So we got our first graphic EQ. Now it's time to put our second one on there. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about my slumber. Had to get up in the scope. Fresh about. All right, so now that we got that, I'm finna be throwing on my equalizer, the EQ3M. Let's get into it. My slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my. Alright, now I'm finna be throwing on a compressor. So throw that compander on there, compander. Slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to. All right, now I'm finna throw a noise gate on there. Throw another compressor on there. Boom. Get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up and get up. Fresh about my slumber, had to get up. Now I'm finna be doing a video on compressors. I can't really say too much, but like really what a compressor is, it's like it keeps the like, so let's, all right, so y'all know that like when you're making a song, like your vocals is like a wave. So basically what the compressor does is it compresses your vocals, and it keeps it in that you know, that wave length that you wanted at, and then it just, you feel me, the compressor just, the attack is just it's about like how fast you want it to attack and keep the vocals at that level. I'm not really explaining it right, but like I'm just, you know, but there's plenty of YouTube videos out there on it, but like, yeah. Now I'm finna put on the de-esser, turn up the threshold, crank up the frequency a little bit, and then voila, that's the preset, man. That's, you feel me, bread and butter right there. You know what I'm saying? Now, you know, to finish your touch right here, all you gotta do, bada bing, say this, YT vid, wow, put that on there. Voila, man, you got your high quality song straight off the phone, man. But hey, that's gonna be the end. That's gonna be the end of the video. Hopefully y'all learned a thing or two from this video, man. And I appreciate y'all for sticking through to the end. And y'all want to see more big body bangers like this, just, you know, just show your boy some love on this video, man. Let's get this video to 10,000 likes, man. Let's get 10,000 likes on this video. Feel me? Blow the comments up. I'm saying this. Feel me? Even if you don't got nothing to comment about, just drop an emoji. Feel me? Just for the sauce, man. But stay tuned for the how-to series. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Curdy Bo in the stand. Curdy Bo out, man. Peace.